All right, we're going to talk about calibrating this magnesium test kit. So this test kit is a relative meter. So it's going to measure its zero on the water sample that we put through it. So we're going to do that. So we're going to take this beaker. We'll go ahead and get some clean paper towels here. And we're going to fill this beaker with 50 milliliters of our sample water. Okay? Now we're going to take this A solution and this B solution. And we'll take a syringe here. And we're going to get 5 milliliters out of this A. And just to verify that we're getting the correct amount here, okay, so we've got 5 milliliters of our A solution. And we're going to separate that syringe. And we'll get 5 milliliters of our B solution. As such. We'll separate that syringe. So the lids go back on here. And these can be returned to the case. Now next we're going to take these two curvettes and we'll get the caps to them. We're going to swirl this liquid and we're going to use this liquid to rinse out these curvettes. So we'll put a little bit of that solution in there, mix it. The solution goes into the waste container. And same with this other curvette. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to fill each curvette with 10 milliliters of this solution. And we want that to be an accurate 10 milliliters. As such, second curvette here. There's our 10 milliliters. Okay. Now we have two compounds right here. We have a C0 and a D0. Now the C0 is going to be our zero, so this is going to be our zero calibration. We're going to put 1 drop, like such, into that curvette, and in the other curvette we'll do 1 drop of the D solution. There's our magnesium measurement. As you can see, these colors are changing quickly. Now I'm going to replace the lid here, and I'm going to use a microfiber cloth, a dry microfiber cloth, to get any type of smudges. This is a light receptacle instrument here. So that is clean. And that one's clean. Again, we have our C and our D. So this is our zero and this is our test. Now for this device here, it's pretty simple. It's going to say add C1. So we're going to add the C1 curvette. We're going to press the button. And it should notify us here in a second to remove it, and we'll put the next one in. Okay, so we have our zero reading. We're going to insert the second curvette. Press the button. There we go. And it gave us our reading. Our reading for this is over the max limit of this device. We just added magnesium, so that's as expected. That'll drop down here in the next couple of days. But now we've successfully ran a full test. Now the calibration element of that is simply finding the zero. So right now we'll just clean everything up. We'll put it back in the case and we'll be done.